Which cleaning product calls itself the quicker picker upper? Which cleaning product calls itself the quicker picker upper? Now we'll give you 4 options and you try to guess which one from these 4 options is the correct answer for the question. The first option is Pine Sol. The second option is Bounty. The third option is Swiffer, and the last option is Clorox. So from these 4 options, what do you think? Which one is the correct answer for the question? Well, now let me tell you what is the answer for the question. The answer for the question is Bounty. So that's the answer, Bounty. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment. Say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you again in another video. Bye bye.